Then guards came out of the palace gate. They wore black and orange striped socks, blue and red shirts, and black caps with silver roses. They held long poles covered in red cloth and gold nails. They walked to the left and right and made 2 long lines down to the water. Servants put a red carpet between the lines. Trumpets played loudly. Questions. Who came out first? What did they wear? What did they hold? What did they do? What did the servants put down? What sound was heard? Musicians on the water began to play happy music. Two men with white sticks walked slowly from the palace door. More people followed them: city officers, knights, judges, and nobles. Then came 12 French men in white and gold clothes. Then came 12 Spanish men in plain black velvet. Then many English nobles came with their helpers. Questions. What did the musicians play? Who walked first from the door? Who came after them? What did the French men wear? What did the Spanish men wear? Trumpets played again. The prince's uncle came out of the gate. He wore a black and gold shirt and a red silk coat with silver ribbons. He took off his hat, bowed low, and walked backward while bowing. A loud trumpet call came, and a voice said, "Make way for Prince Edward." Fire shot from the palace walls with a loud noise. Everyone on the river shouted with joy. Tom Canty appeared and bowed his head. Questions. What happened after the trumpets? Who came out? What did he wear? What did he do? What did the voice say? What happened on the palace walls? How did people react? Who appeared? Tom Canty wore a white satin shirt with purple and diamonds. He had a white gold cloak with blue lining, pearls, and jewels. A bright clasp held the cloak. He wore the Order of the Garter and other royal medals. Jewels on his clothes shone brightly in the light. Tom was born in a small poorhouse. He grew up in dirty streets with rags and hunger. Now he was the center of this great show. Questions. What did Tom wear? What was on his cloak? What held his cloak? What medals did he wear? How did his clothes look in the light? Where was Tom born? How did he live as a child? What was he now?
Еще более подробные уроки на платформе stepik.org, а также в нашем Telegram-приложении. Все ссылки в описании.